Coffee shop cold brew can be expensive, but you can make your own affordably and simply at home. Good cold brew starts with good coffee beans. When making cold brew, a medium roast coffee tends to be better. It'll give you more aroma and more flavor. It's best to purchase whole beans that you can grind yourself. This will give you the freshest coffee possible. What you're looking for is a coarse grind, something like the texture of a coarse cornmeal. There's a variety of ways to make your cold brew at home, and you don't need any fancy equipment. An easy way to make cold brew is right in a mason jar. One of my favorite go-to ways to make cold brew is just in a French press. It's great for hot coffee. It's also good for cold brew. There are many different immersion cold brew makers you can also find. They're very inexpensive as well. Making cold brew is just as simple as adding your coarse grounds to a container, adding in your water, giving it a stir to make sure all those grounds are hydrated, putting a lid on it, and then putting it in the fridge. Cold brew will take anywhere from 12 to 20 hours to brew. When your cold brew's done steeping, all you need to do is strain it out with a fine mesh strainer. If you have cheesecloth, even a coffee filter is great. When you're straining your cold brew, don't press on the grounds or stir them. That'll extract extra bitter compounds into your cold brew. It's best to let your cold brew drain naturally. Discard the grounds. Those are great for gardening or compost bins. Your cold brew will make a concentrate, so you're gonna wanna dilute that with water. For an extra boost of coffee flavor, try freezing some leftover cold brew into ice cubes. You can make a big batch of cold brew to have all week long. A batch of cold brew should last anywhere from 7 to 10 days. Cold brew is satisfying and refreshing, and it's easy to make at home. It has less acidity and bitterness than hot brewed coffee, and the slow extraction method provides great sweetness and aroma.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.